Hey everyone, happy Halloween! Welcome to Izzy and Emma's Halloween party. This year's a little bit different because Halloween falls on a Thursday. And, you know, it's like, do you celebrate the week before? Usually, because, you know, you don't want to celebrate after Halloween. But people are celebrating it this weekend. It's like the 25th, 26th weekend. And next weekend, which is the 1st and 2nd of November. Usually I go like, I have like 3 costumes in one weekend. This year we're doing 2 costumes, one this week and one next week. Tonight I'm being Chef's Kiss. I did see this on Pinterest. We've basically been scrambling all day because we're having a little party tonight. First party in our new apartment, which I will give a tour. But yeah, we've been doing that all day, getting stuff, hanging up decorations and our posters. And so we're about to get ready. Very excited. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, welcome to Izzy and Emma's Halloween party bash. It's our first get together in our new apartment. Woo! So you guys haven't seen our apartment yet. You're about to see it now. So here we go. You walk in, right? Bam. Our kitchen. Everyone, I am drinking an Aperol Spritz. Yum. We set all of our little snacks out. We hung this up today. If it's nice, play it twice. We have lights underneath our little stove area, right? You walk this way. Here is first bathroom. Cute. Sorry. We have a firefighter helping a rocker girl right now.
Sorry, is it bad?
And then we just have some snacks, costume contest. You put your votes in here. We also put up this frame today. We went through hell and back to get these freaking frames, and we did it. Did.
All day.
All day. We had to go to several stores. Okay, here's Emma's room. Very, very cute.
Thank you.
Coming together. Here we have a stoner guy sitting on our couch. Not really sure where he came from, but we have our little TV area. Cobwebs with some purple lights. Out here we did put up some little cute lights with a rug. Happy Halloween. Okay. And then you come in this way, giant speaker. Here's my room. Still in the process of some things here, but here's what she looks like so far. I freaking built that from the bottom up. And this is what my job is gonna be tomorrow. I have to build a vanity. I got a vanity a while ago, and then it came smashed, so now I have a new one. And then here is my bathroom. Just cute, cutesy, love it. And here's my costume. I am Chef's Kiss, so I'm wearing an apron and a chef's hat with kisses. Okay, we did a Halloween costume contest. Of course we had to. We're about to tally it up. Okay, we got one for Emma. James. Another one for James.
Okay, put it.
Okay, Greg.
Put it in the pouch.
James. Autumn. James. Autumn.
Chuck. He's not wearing a costume.
Chuck. James might win.
The girl with the bad haircut.
The girl with the bad haircut. Autumn. Emma!
No vote.
Ew, that's annoying. Shay. Carly. Julia.
Yeah, everybody's doing different answers.
James.
Julia.
I think we have a winner here.
The tallies are in. The tallies are in, guys. And the best costume goes to. Drum roll, everyone!
Take a look. See what's all in there. We're checking in. We haven't checked in a while.
the new place?
I love it. So cute decorations, and it makes me want to move down to Milwaukee.
Hey, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. What are you dressed as tonight?
I'm her photographer.
Oh, and my choreographer, ballerina. Oh, the stoner guy. Oh, there's that stoner.
Leather on leather! It's like, guys, I'm back from a little bit ago.
What are you? Catwoman, and that's my costume winner, Batman. Costume winner, Batman. Woo!
Nothing in Nick. This is my friend from high school. Nick Cobb.
Oh, we don't know him.
Call him.
Nick, what are you tonight?
Call him Brandon.
He decided not to dress up tonight. Emma, what are you tonight?
I am an 80s rocker.
He's sick of them. What are you?
Dancing with the Stars, you already know.
He's Joey from The Bachelor. What are you tonight?
I am dressed as a
Flapper.
Peaky Blinders.
Well, hey everyone. This vlog's a little bit delayed. I know, Halloween was last month, right? Whatever. So last video, if you did watch it, I did a little jewelry haul with Ana Luisa Jewelry. If you don't know what Ana Luisa is, it is a very trendy and high quality jewelry brand, but for a very affordable price. Ana Luisa, site-wide, everything is 35% off. This is a massive sale. It is the biggest sale of the entire year for them. And this sale is also for limited time only. Products do sell out, so if you are interested in getting some fab new pieces for this winter season, then you better hop on this trend right now and visit analuisa.com. I decided that I would show you a few pieces from their collection. So the first one is this very, very cute little dainty gold necklace. I am a gold girl. I only wear gold jewelry. I never wear silver. So it's a little moon crescent type of deal. But it's so cute. A super simple piece just to throw on, and definitely gonna be a staple piece for me this winter. And then I wanted to show you guys these cute little earrings here. Definitely a staple piece in an outfit for sure. Teardrop looking gold earrings. I don't have anything like this at all, and I just think these are super fun. They're super different. Go from drab to fab in just two simple pieces of jewelry. So of course I will have a link in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Find the pieces that work best with you, and you can all enjoy 35% off site-wide. Back to the video. Hey everyone, welcome to Halloween weekend part 2, because this year we're celebrating 2 weeks in a row. I got ready very, very quickly because I was busy working all day, but tonight we are being Espresso Martini. I did have a brown skirt and it didn't fit me and it was too small and my butt crack was out. This is it. Shirt, Espresso Martini, glasses. I have a coffee bean headband on. Skirt, shoes, brown purse, very simple.
Here we have Priscilla.
And this is the, actually I have it right up.
Oh, perfect. Let's see
I'm
inspo.
creating this out gladiator sandals.
Very cute, very
The hair's
cute.
a little,
Glamorous. We have Kim Possible.
I tried my best.
Yeah. She looks good. Kim in the house. We have Catwoman.
Are you Kim K?
Woohoo!
We're stressed because we thought the bodysuit wasn't gonna work out, but we're all good.
We're all good.
Espresso Martini lady is about to make us all espresso martinis.
Yes.
So, let's make some. Okay, here's how to make the espresso martini with Izzy. First, we're gonna start with the vodka. We have our Tito's vodka tonight. 2 shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka.
But we're making 2 espresso martinis at once here, so. Then we're gonna take our coffee liqueur. We need 1 shot, but since we're doubling it, we're gonna do 2 shots of this. Then we're being health queens, so we're using sugar-free French vanilla syrup instead of simple syrup. Pour that in. 2 shots of espresso. Okay, cheers. Here's your martinis.